Where's Marcel?
Oh, thank you for bringing me into the garden. Right, so Mr. L here with...
Bonnie?
Anything you want to say?
No.
No? Well, this week we're back in the garden.
Mr. L, I can hear sleigh bells.
I think you're right. Shall we sing a Christmas song?
Yes!
Right. Oh, okay.
Sorry.
Right, we need to make sure we're all Christmased up. So are you ready? I'm going to click my fingers and we'll all be dressed ready for Christmas. Here we go. Snow is falling all around me. Children playing, having fun.
It's the season, love and understanding. Merry Christmas, everyone. Time for parties and celebration. People dancing all night long. Time for presents and exchanging kisses. Time for singing Christmas songs. We're gonna have a party tonight. I'm gonna find that girl underneath the mistletoe. We'll kiss by candlelight. Room is swaying, records playing, all the old songs we love to hear. All I wish that every day was Christmas. What a nice way to spend the year. We're gonna have a party tonight. I'm gonna find that girl underneath the mistletoe. We'll kiss by candlelight. Snow is falling all around me. Children playing, having fun. It's the season, love and understanding. Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas, everyone. Ooh, Merry Christmas, everyone. Snow is falling all around me. Children playing, having fun. It's the season, love and understanding. Merry Christmas, everyone. Snow is falling all around me. Children playing, having fun. It's the season, love and understanding. Merry Christmas, everyone. Snow is falling all around me. Children playing, having fun. It's the season, love and understanding. Merry Christmas, everyone. Snow is falling all around me. Children playing, having fun. It's the season, love and understanding. Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas, everyone. Ooh, Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas, Mr. Jones.
for me. Merry Christmas, everybody.